You really broke the tripod again. Okay.
One bag each side.
So this is called Sugar Camp?
Yeah, sugar mountain camp.
Mountain Camp.
Yeah.
And what this is going to do is put the sugar on the newspaper, and the newspaper draws the moisture out of the hive if there is any.
And the sugar will draw
In
it
the
too.
sugar, it turns to crystal.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
if it does drip, they just
If it does
turn
get
into
so
food.
much, it turns to sugar water and drips down, and they'll eat that right away.
Very good, very good, very good.
You want to check that video feed.
What do you mean, check it?
I don't know if it's on time lapse or because I just started it so we can get out here.
Oh. Not on time lapse.
Let me go get the rest.
He said that you didn't do this on time lapse.
Okay, so we're out here in Sky's bee yard today. He's showing me and Felicia how to put sugar camps or mountain camps on the hives. We're going to add, it looks like a pound of sugar or a 1 gallon Ziploc bag full of sugar to the tops of the hives to keep the moisture out of the hives. It's going to draw moisture into the sugar and into the newspaper, and it will provide the bees a little bit of food. If it does, you know, leak some sugar water down in on top of them, they can eat it up and turn it into whatever it is that they're going to make with it. But we're in the learning process today, so keep rocking it with us, and we're going to take you in to do some hive stuff. cap them. Looks like they're busy today. It's warm today. Up into the 60s in December. Today is, I don't know the date, it's like December 15th. Something like that. Anyway, we're gonna do a mountain camp. Put your newspaper on. Feed and shim. Level it out. Try to get it in the middle of the newspaper and then level the top of it out. Just take your mountain down. Put your lid back on. Like that. And your inner cover and your lid. Just like that. Excellent.